Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a hair mist or a hairspray using only 2 ingredients for massive hair growth. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be using is rosemary. Mine is freshly picked. The second ingredient that I'm going to be using is fenugreek seeds. If you do not know what fenugreek seeds look like, this is how fenugreek seeds look like, and you can find them in a local market, in the supermarket, or you can even order online. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to add your ingredients, that is your fenugreek seeds and your rosemary, into a pan or a sufuria, and then you're going to place that sufuria or that pan on top of a stove or a gas or whatever you use for cooking. Then the next thing you're going to do is to add water, as much water as you need for this hair mist. I've added like 2 cups of water. Then bring it to a slow boil. Do not put in a lot of heat. You do not want to leave it on the fire for so long. You just want it to release those ingredients, because you're going to let it sit and infuse. Once you're done with that process, you should have something that looks like this. This is mine immediately after I got it from the fire, and that's my storage container. I'm going to be storing it in a glass jar container for it to infuse. So you're going to pour in your water and your ingredients into your container and let it sit and infuse. See, this is what we have already, and it's just the first day. We've not even let it stay overnight. So you let it stay overnight, and we'll check the results tomorrow. The next day, and this is how my conclusion is looking. You see the color has changed to a deep brown color, and I'm just going to transfer this mixture to my spray bottle. This is how my spray bottle is looking like. I'm going to transfer the mixture to my spray bottle for easy application. So this is just me applying the mixture to my hair. You want to focus on the roots first, and then you can massage it in to the rest of the hair. So this is just me making sure that I get all the edges of the hair, especially the edges, because we tend to forget the edges. And I'm only applying it in this way because I do not want that water to drip and pour on my forehead. So you just apply the mixture directly on your hair, and after you're done, you massage it so that you can get the hair really getting all the juices and all the nutrients from the water. I am actually planning on doing a 2-week challenge, hair growth challenge, using this exact combination. So if you want to see how long my hair will grow, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so that you can see immediately I drop and release the video. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, tell your friend to tell their friend, and make sure they do try this hair mist, or you could try it for yourself and you can see the results. So yeah, till next time, bye bye.